Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can hide any app in your iOS 18 or your in iPhone 16 Pro Max. What you need to do is just tap any of your app. After tapping it up, it will show some options like this. You need to press requires Face ID option, which is the second from the bottom. Just tap on it and then it will show options like this. What you need to select is just hide and require Face ID, and the app will automatically be hidden from your menu. Now where it actually goes, you need to just swipe again, and as you can see that once you go to here, there's an option of hidden apps here. Just tap on it. It will ask for a Face ID again. Tap on it, provide your phone passcode, and as you can see that your app will come up or pop up again. So that's how you can actually make it hide the app in your iPhone and make it appear back on your phone. As you can see that I have appeared back and it will automatically come up here, recently added, and now I'm putting it to the desktop at the home screen and it will come back. So that's how you can actually do it. If you still have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you still want more videos or tutorials like this, keep supporting me. Bye bye.